Hi. Today we will talk about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. With the best reviews for you, we have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The first thing you need to know about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is, be careful about the website you will buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, because Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works. The unique metabolic blend within Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supports a faster metabolism, burns excess fat and calories at an amazing rate, maintains healthy digestion, and increases natural energy reserves. With daily use of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, you will enjoy a lean, toned and attractive body for many years to come, live a long and happy life free of health concerns and experience pleasant waves of new and natural energy. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic during 90 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Simply take 1 scoop of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic around 10 a.m. or about 1 hour after a light breakfast. Otherwise you won't see great results and will actually get a little frustrated. Also important for you to know, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.